In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SEO descriptions in Squarespace 7.1. This process will help boost your website's visibility in search engine results, an essential step in enhancing your online presence. Let's dive into it and explore how you can easily manage this on your Squarespace site. First, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account. Use your credentials to access the dashboard. The dashboard is the central hub for managing your website, and being familiar with it will make editing a breeze. Once logged in, direct your attention to the sidebar menu. Click on Website to manage the pages of your site. This section allows you to select the specific page you want to optimize for search engines. An important factor in enhancing its discoverability, click on Pages. This action will display a list of all the pages on your site. To edit a page's SEO description, move your cursor over the page title you intend to optimize. A gear icon will appear to the right. Click it to access the page settings. This icon is your gateway to customizing the SEO attributes of your page. In the page settings, navigate to the SEO tab. This tab is where the optimization magic happens. Scroll down to locate the SEO description field. Here you can craft a descriptive summary that includes relevant keywords. This is the text that search engines will use to understand the content of your page, so make it engaging and informative. If you're uncertain about what to write, Squarespace offers a handy tool under the SEO IO panel. You can click on Improve with AI for assistance in generating a description. This AI tool helps create a compelling, keyword-rich description that can enhance your page's search visibility. Once you've added the description, remember to click Save to apply your changes. This step is crucial to ensure your updates are reflected on your site. For those looking to modify the SEO description for your entire site rather than just a single page, return to your main dashboard and proceed to Settings. Within the Settings menu, find and click on Marketing. From there, select SEO Appearance. This section allows you to edit the site-wide SEO title and description, providing a cohesive identity and theme to your website. Strategically crafting and updating your SEO descriptions can significantly impact your website's performance in search rankings. It's a small step that can lead to a big difference in how users find and interact with your content online. Remember, consistency is key in SEO, so regularly revisit these settings to ensure they are aligned with your website goals. With these steps, you're well on your way to optimizing your Squarespace site. Thanks for watching and happy editing.